this film just like sticks to the tape?
It sticks to the cell. Right now, it's tracked down each quarter. This is a Vantage. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so it'll hold it.
You good, bro?
I'll take it. Got it.
plug guys, like etching vein, acid vein, that's gonna fall out. Sorry? Yeah, so it's like it actually has self-healing properties as well. So say if you actively get a rock skip on top of it, the sun will like kind of melt through like highest form of protection. And then, if you even want to, you can put like a ceramic coating on top of it.
Typically, the average car about this size is about $6,000. You can front bumper, the hood, probably about $1,500. Yeah, we also do ceramic coating. That's also a very good option. Ceramic coating is silicone based. So essentially, this is an applicator we use. If you feel it, it hardens up and it creates another layer on top of your food. So that also goes. It's UV resistant. Both of them. Yes, ma'am. Using ceramic, you don't want to use pH neutral soap. You don't want to have her car wash. So, you know, you're not going to do it.
Yeah, I watched my
Yeah. Car wash on the car. The nice thing about this stuff is if you brush up against a bush or something like that and it leaves a scratch, it sits out in the sun for about a few hours and it's self-healing. The scratch will be gone.
Thank you so much.
Sorry, I'm cracking bars out by the hour. Your shop right now. So ballpark time to take that off. Great. That's why we say hourly. We just never know. Some come off in 30 minutes. Some come off in 4 hours. If it's gonna have, you're gonna have great paint, just have the body shop the same. Yeah. Thank you guys. You too. Yeah, the best. Restart is the best time to advise you. What we do is we have a mobile team. before, and then we put the coating on to make it pop. So what we offer lasts up to 5 years. If you take care of it, it'll last longer than that, 7 to 8 years. You got it, sir. How are you today, sir? Doing good. Okay. PPF? Okay. What kind of paint you have on there? Oh, cool. Yeah. Yeah. If you want to write your information down here, what I'll do is when we get back to the studio on Monday, we're right off of 75 in Falkenberg. Yeah. Right across from the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office. I'll send you an information with an estimate on that. Because what we do is, what we normally do PPF, we also put a layer of ceramic coating on top of it. Because PPF itself does not have hydrophobic properties. So that's why when you put the ceramic coating on top of it, then all of a sudden the water will just drop right off of the paint. And we also offer a matte PPF as well. It gives it a matte color, like that Porsche we have down there. That was a gloss white. We put a matte PPF on it. Now it's a matte white. Yeah.
I like the gloss.
Yeah. Every car it's very specific. Like the Tesla Squad, we always get it. They love the matte glass. It looks good on a Tesla. Yeah. And this is for entering with a 3D demo.
Yeah.
Anytime you're talking ceramic coat or paint protection, the sooner you get it done, buying the vehicle, the better. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it'll be perfect. And yep, all we do, like I said, we'll do step 1 polish on it, get all the imperfections out of it, get the swirls that might be there out of it, and then we'll lay it all down.
Yeah, very.
Absolutely. I've got your information. I'll be reaching out to you, all right? You got it, sir.
No, you go ahead.
We do motorcycles. Absolutely. You want to put your information on that? I'll reach out to you with an estimate once I get back to you. There you go. Give me a call on Monday or Tuesday or anytime. Is that all? Oh, MV Agusta. Accordion pipes in the rear. I know an MV Agusta. That'd be an honor to do a work on. They're nice. They're nice. You don't see them often. You got it. How are you? Good, yeah. Doing good, doing good. I lifted the, I cannot do that right now. Yeah, he's doing a paint protection install. So you can't have anybody, touching or in the vehicle as I'm doing this. I look at it again. Yeah, so not right on blue yet. It's very nice in there. It's a big old factory. Factory what? Oh, really? I went to go chase it. I'm like, oh, that's dirt. Does it say what you find doing this rather than just... Oh, yeah, because you're so, you're looking at every program. How are y'all doing today? Doing good, doing good. Pretty cool stuff, isn't it?